This morning, we're hearing from a man who says that he was attacked and nearly robbed by his now former caregiver.
Metro police tell us that robbery happened in August, but investigators say the suspect has a history of taking advantage of people. See, New Yorker has more on this story and also a warning from police that they're putting out.
Yes, good morning, ladies. This story is so sad. IMPD is encouraging families to keep an eye on their loved ones and look for warning signs like mood changes, bruises, cuts, scrapes, or even frequent trips to the hospital. Now, Leonard Royer is 61 years old and wheelchair bound. He tells 13 News he's required care ever since he had a stroke. So in 2022, he hired someone, a man named Dwayne Finklia. But he says Finklia took advantage and physically harmed him for some time, even saying that at one time the abuse was so bad he was hospitalized for neglect. He also tells us that things worsened when Finklia burst into his home with a gun and tried to rob him and his friends. Now, while Royer says he didn't get away with anything, he says Finklia somehow drained his bank account. Metro police say Finklia has a history of taking advantage and stealing. They say he took advantage of Royer and abused him while he was working as his case manager.
I get really depressed. Sometimes I get suicidal, and it really messed me up, you know. But I'm living with it.
Now, the Special Needs Alliance is an organization that advocates for those with disabilities. He says if you think someone is abusing or exploiting someone, report it to a school, social services, or to a healthcare professional. The Alliance also says to call police and make a report to the state or local child or adult protective services agency. Now, that former caregiver, Dwayne Finklia, is now facing armed robbery, intimidation, and battery charges. Sadly, Royer has been managing without a caregiver. His 80-something-year-old father has been helping him around the house, and he's hoping to get him into an assisted living facility.
It's fortunate. Sometimes those are the targets of people who want to do wrong. Thanks, CM.
You're welcome.